Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah.
They keep cooking up that dope, man.
I got big bags, big money, what you gon' do? Pull up in a Rari or the coupe. Yeah, yeah. Niggas swerving, niggas in LA. Come up to the party, come around my way. Bitches bad, bitches in the back. I swear to God, in LA, just west side. We just living it up. We just living it up.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Angel Voice back again with another awesome, amazing video. As you guys can see in the title, y'all know what I'm doing today. Doing DIY. I just got the light today, so I was really excited to do it because I knew if I did not do this video right now, y'all wasn't gonna see the whole process. So yeah, doing it now. But I really love DIYs. I love doing it myself. You feel me? So hopefully I'll be doing more of these type of videos. I just gotta figure out what else to do. But yeah, I got the lights right here, the red lights, and then this is the remote to it. I'm probably gonna like put it on the side or stick it on the side because like it has sticks. Whatever. I got these from Amazon. I got everything from Amazon. Well, I got the mirror from Target, and I got everything else from Amazon. I'll probably place everything down in the description. This is the plug I got for it, and then alcohol prep pad comes with it. I don't know why, but it does. And then this comes with it as well. It's like, I guess it holds them in place. That's what it does. Yeah, it holds them in place. But I bought this separate. These are what you need for your corners. I bought these separate. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. For like the corners. I'll put them up later. But yeah, you're gonna need that, and then you're gonna need the scissors. Because when you're like turning corners, because when you put it in there, you're gonna be cutting that middle part. I don't know if you could see that line. Yeah, you're gonna be cutting that line. You have to cut it evenly on the line. If you don't cut it evenly on the line, I know that it could not. That sometimes it happens where it doesn't work, but we're gonna avoid that. So what I'm gonna do right now is unravel this. We're gonna put you guys back a little bit. More. See how long that comes. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do it like this and then put it in the back, or how I want to do it. I think I'm gonna do it this way. I don't even know. That's a good question. Anyway, we got those. We got our scissors. This is what you need for the corners. So we're gonna open it and look at them. I'm excited. And this is how the corner pieces look. Looks like that, and then it has. Okay, well that's gonna take a lot of patience to get off. Anyway, it comes off like that, like. And then this side right here, it comes off as well. I don't know where that oil came from. This side right there, it comes off as well. I'm just trying to pop that off. Which that side could actually, this side can stay closed because you're not going to need that. You got to make sure when it goes in that it's literally all the way in. Yeah. Got it. Okay, so that's how that side looked. Yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and open the other side since I need it open anyway. And we're gonna start with the first side.
Yeah,
Ain't keep cooking up that dope, mate.
I got big bags, big money, what you gon' do? Pull up in a Rari or the coupe. Yeah. Niggas swerving, niggas in LA. Come up to the party, come around my way. Bitches bad, bitches in the back. I swear to God, in LA, just with size. We just living it up. We just living it up.
Okay, so I did it wrong, so I'm going to take it off. Okie dokie. So what we're gonna do is get your scissors. Draw a little bit closer. Just a little bit. Okay. And so you guys can see what I gotta do is you take this, you insert it. I know the copper has to touch, so what I'm gonna do is once I get these in here, I'm gonna turn it on to see if it works. Okay, so I put it in the wrong side, of course. Like the cord. There's a lot more in this than I thought there was. I was like, oh, I'm just gonna do this and pop it on, boop. And we done, but nope. Ooh. Yeah, it worked. It worked.
Yeah.
Ain't keep cooking up that dope, mate.
I got big bags, big money, what you gon' do? Pull up in a Rari or the coupe. Yeah. Niggas swerving, niggas in LA. Come up to the party, come around my way. Bitches bad, bitches in the back. I swear to God, in LA, just with size. We just living it up. We just living it up. We did let the party, you were banging. Shawty all up on me and she banging. We just living it up. You don't gotta tell me, girl,
Okay, I need the scissors again because I gotta cut the bottom. There's some extra. I had to cut off. And then we're gonna grab another one of these. Handy dandy things. And like quite a few comes in the pack with these, so like if you ever wanted to like get some more LED lights or LED lights to like light up the rest of your room, there is definitely enough. Okay.
Yeah.
Now the struggle of popping them off again.
I got big bags, big money, what you
like that. So I'm gonna put this one in here again. Let me show y'all just so y'all can get it. Now the copper pieces, you see those copper looking things? They have to touch these. I don't know if it'll focus. Yeah, they have to touch like the metal thing, so it has to go like, okay. Like it's on there properly. So just to let you guys know, I did turn on the mirror like before I like finished it all, but I didn't show you guys that part because of course I wanted to show you guys after I finished it. So yeah, I did turn it on. So make sure you turn it on to make sure that it's working, make sure that it's set right. So this came too far over on this side, so it's gonna be like really weird. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Might just have to take off with this thing and leave it up.
Pinky cooking up that dope, man.
I got big bags, big money, what you gon' do? Pull up in a Rari or the coupe. Yeah. Niggas swerving, niggas in LA. Come up to the party, come around my way. Just bad bitches in the back. I swear to God, in LA, just where side. We just living it up. We just living it up.
We did let the party, it was banging. Shawty all up on me and she banging. We did living it up. You don't gotta tell me, girl, enough is enough. And I know that you're rocking with my style now. Every time you see me, girl, you wanna come around now. I'm like, no, I'm on a roll. Oh, you wanna come and run around now.
I got big bags, big money, what you gon' do? Pull up in a Rari or the coupe. Yeah. Niggas swerving, niggas in LA. Come up to the party, come around my way. Just bad bitches in the back. I swear to God, in LA, just where side. We just living it up. We just living it up.
So we're putting it on the back of the mirror so that I can hide the cord, but the cord can still come up. Like I said, I wanted to like stick the
Pinky cooking up that dope, man.
I wanted to stick the cord on to the mirror itself so that I could turn it on and I want to turn it on. I'm super so la-di-da-da. I'm going to put this. Right there. Okay. Girl, sorry about my messy room. Don't even worry about that. But that's it, y'all. So thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. Thank you for tuning in and watching. I hope it was very informative. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys know how to do it yourself now. I like this. I really like this. Like, this is popping. But I hope you guys like it. I like it. So, but yeah, I hope you guys like it. And please don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on. And without further ado, all negative comments will be ignored, so don't waste your time. Peace.